Court is calling 2017 CR 7886 State versus Deonte Harrell. Can I have parties announce?
Rick Pena for the state of Texas.
Abelardo Garza for the defendant.
And are you Mr. Harrell?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the document entitled Motion to Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Deonte Marquise Harrell who was placed on community supervision in 2017 CR 7886 for the offense of assault, family choking, strangulation on May 29th, on May 2nd, 2019 for a term of 10 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
State?
Yes, Your Honor. Violation of condition number 2. On or about the 11th day of January 2023 in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant, Deonte Marquise Harrell, did then and there fail to submit to drug testing as directed by the supervision officer and or a duly authorized agent of the court in violation of condition number 2.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True. Violation of condition number 2. On or about the 22nd day of March 2023 in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant, Deonte Marquise Harrell, did then and there fail to submit to drug testing as directed by the supervision officer and or a duly authorized agent of the court in violation of condition number 2.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True. Violation of condition number 2. On or about the 8th day of June 2023 in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant, Deonte Marquise Harrell, did then and there fail to submit to drug testing as directed by the supervision officer and or a duly authorized agent of the court in violation of condition number 2.
How do you plead to that?
True. The state will waive the other violations, Your Honor.
Any objection?
No objection, Judge.
All right. Did you understand by pleading to that, those violations, the court could find it true, grant the motion, sentence you up to 10 years in the prison?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violations of 2, 2, and 2?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find 2, 2, and 2 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is, Your Honor. That is to deny the motion, alter and amend conditions to add safe P followed by safe P aftercare.
All right. The court is not going to follow that agreement. This is his 5th motion to revoke. And each time the issues have been, they've tried to address those issues. Before I was judge, there was a motion to revoke in 2018, a violation of condition number 2. So that judge gave you intensive outpatient treatment. Then in 2018, there was another violation that you pled true to a violation of condition number 1. That judge gave you 0 tolerance. And then on May 1st, 2019 with me, there was a violation of 18, 22, and 23. And on that date, the court found you guilty because you were previously on deferred. So the court ordered conditions that would help you be rehabilitated. Then you came back on March 28, 2022. There's a violation of 2, 5, and 15G. And the court did a referral to Center for Healthcare Services. And now we're back here with the same violations. There's nothing else left that the court can do. So the court is finding 2, 2, and 2 true, and the court is going to revoke. What is the request for time? All right, state, what are you requesting for time? Or if you're not requesting any, I'll make a ruling.
They will ask for 10 years, Your Honor.
All right, defense, what are you requesting?
Your Honor, we're asking for 3.
All right. So the court is going to revoke. The court is going to sentence you to 6 years in the prison. The court will give you credit for any time served. Just one moment. Yes, thank you. All right, so the court is going to revoke, sentence you to 6 years in the prison for the finding of family violence in the therapeutic community. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? All right, because this is not a plea bargain agreement, you do have a limited right to appeal. That right to appeal is as it relates to the allegations in the motion, not the fact that you are on community supervision. Because this is a felony conviction and an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question about that, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, and also there's to be no residing in any household with minors. All right, good luck to you.
Thank you. That would be excused.
Yes. Court is calling 2023 CR 0474 State versus Alfredo Rodriguez Jr. Can I have parties announced for the record?
Megan Galloway for the state.
Rafael Leal for Mr. Rodriguez Jr.
And are you Alfredo Rodriguez Jr.?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, did you review the document entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney?
No.
Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Alfredo Rodriguez Jr. who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2023 CR 0474 for the offense of possession of a controlled substance penalty group 1 to 4 grams on March 3rd, 2025 for a period of 4 years? Is that you?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, state.
Violation of condition number 4 in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant Alfredo Rodriguez Jr. did then and there fail to report to the supervision officer as directed for the month of May 2025. Violation of condition number 4.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
We waive and abandon the remainder, Your Honor.
Any objections to the waiver?
No, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 4, the court could find you true, grant the motion, find you guilty, and sentence you up to 10 years in the prison and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, Your Honor.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true
Yes, ma'am.
to violation of condition number 4?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find violation of condition number 4 true. Is there proposed agreement?
There is, Your Honor. It is for the court to grant the state's motion, enter an adjudication of guilt against the defendant, revoke his community supervision, and sentence him to 2 years in the prison.
All right, so what has he done on probation?
Judge, he had a problem with drugs. He took some drugs and I don't think he had the appropriate or did not follow up on the recommended treatment. And plus added to the fact that he did not have transportation or means to get transportation, and I don't believe he even had a telephone to communicate or establish communication with the probation officer.
Is there anything you want to say?
No, Your Honor.
All right, so probation, has he done anything?
It's half evaluation.
So that means you have not done anything. Like, where has he been? Because I set conditions for him to help him succeed. If he had a drug problem, there are conditions in here for a drug, for his drug issues to address those issues. He obviously had children or still has children. And I say had children because I don't know if they're adults at this time, but I asked him to complete parenting classes. Did he do that? So it appears the only thing he did was answer some questions and then he disappeared.
Unfortunately.
All right. All right, state, you may be excused. Thank you. Is there anything you wish to say? All right, the court is going to find you guilty. The court will revoke. The court is going to sentence you to 4 years in the prison. Give you credit for any time served. The court will recommend the therapeutic community, and there's to be no unsupervised contact with minors. All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? You have a limited right to appeal. That right to appeal is as it relates to the allegations in the motion, not the fact that you're on deferred adjudication. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing, you're gonna have to make some changes in your life, right? In this court, communication is always key. If you have a drug problem, you just come in and let us know and we'll do what we can to help you. But if you don't reach out, there's nothing we can do.
Fine.
And the reason why you're receiving the 4 years, I could consider everything. You haven't done anything on probation. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, when you're released from custody, if you cannot find a sober living house or you can't find somebody to address any drug issues you may have, if I'm still here, you come back here, I'll get some help for you, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.